The UK's hippest city beckons you to reside in exceptional class coupled with unparalleled comfort at Crown House, a student housing destination in Brighton redefining the contours of indulgence. Nestled in the picturesque Regent Hill neighborhood, this stellar accommodation offers a selection of contemporary studios, with some even boasting a stunning sea view. Beyond the luxury of having the entire place to yourself, there's also a full-size mirror, bedside table, and a breakfast bar, adding that extra to the otherwise ordinary stay. But wait, the deal keeps getting better. Spice up the academic routine with a gaming room and stay in shape with a free on-site gym. Keep daily hassles at bay with secure bike storage, on-site laundry facilities, and 24/7 CCTV. What's more, utility bills are included within the rent, saving you a huge chunk of money. Talking of location, Crown House is a pleasant stroll away from Giles College and the University of Brighton. Plus, a delectable dining scene awaits you right in the neighborhood with Italian kitchen, foodilic, and the salt room letting you satiate your culinary cravings. With Clarence Square bus stop and Brighton train station practically being a short stroll away, save time and money like never before. If you're ready to sync your style with the UK's hipster hotspot, head over to amberstudent.com and secure your stay at Crown House Brighton today.